Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you a pre-poo that can help stimulate hair growth. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. To make this pre-poo, I'm going to start by extracting my aloe vera gel from my aloe vera leaves. I've made so many videos showing you how I extract my aloe vera gel because it's so obvious. I love using aloe vera gel because aloe vera gel helps strengthen the hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my aloe vera in small pieces and use a knife to extract my aloe vera gel and put it on a cup of my blender. If you're not comfortable using a knife, you can always use a spoon to extract the aloe vera gel. After extracting the aloe vera gel, I'm gonna get some fresh rosemary leaves and get about 2 to 3 of these leaves, put it in the cup of my blender. I always make sure to wash my rosemary leaves before I use it. I just didn't record that part, but if you are going to follow this pre-poo, please make sure you wash your rosemary leaf before using it. I try to use a lot of rosemary leaves in my pre-poo or my DIY because there's a study that shows that rosemary helps grow new hair. So this is why I love using rosemary. Also, the scent of rosemary is really good. My next ingredient for this pre-poo will be some flaxseed powder, and I'm going to add about 1 to 2 spoons of flaxseed powder. One of the benefits of using flaxseed on hair is that flaxseed helps stimulate hair growth. My next step will be to blend all of these ingredients. It's always good to remember that if you have alopecia or any other scalp condition, please consider seeing a dermatologist or doctor because this pre-poo might not just be enough. You might just need more than just this pre-poo to help with your scalp conditions. After blending this, I'm going to strain this. It's really important to strain this pre-poo because if you don't, you're gonna have those small flakes of flaxseed powder on your hair, which is really not good because this had happened. So when using this pre-poo, make sure you really take the time to strain this. Now that my pre-poo is ready, I'm gonna put this on my daughter's hair, and I'm gonna start by putting around the ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair, and this is where we get a lot of split ends. So this is why I make sure to always put a lot around the ends and put it all over her hair. After putting this all over her hair, I'm gonna cover her hair with a plastic cap, put a steamer all over her hair to help open up those pores so the good ingredients from this pre-poo go straight into her scalp. So I'm gonna let her sit with this for about 30 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna continue with our regular wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to teach you something, anything. If I did, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know will benefit from it, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.